Today on COC, a quick video on how to take your transmission pump off your E40D. We bought this special tool here. It was about 50 bucks. It wouldn't get it off. It just kept slipping off the splines. So this is what I ended up doing. We'll just set this aside. And we're going to use this. We're going to use this Harbor Freight 2-pound slide hammer. So we don't actually need any of the attachments that come with the slide hammer, because this is already properly threaded for the pump. So what you're going to do is come down here and find the two threads, or find the two holes that are already threaded. Thread that in a few times. You're just going to pop it up a couple times on each side. Didn't have to do both sides that time. It'll just come right out. Hopefully that was helpful.